Hi guys, so this is going to be a what's in my makeup bag video, and this is, believe it or not, my travel kit. No, I know that this may seem a lot for travel, but if I'm going away for a week or two, this is definitely what I would pack and what I would definitely stand by. So this is a purple bag, and it's lined on the inside, so I can just wipe it out. It comes with this right here and also this little purple pouch here. So this is what I keep my lipsticks in, and let's just start with this one. I keep my lipsticks in this one so that I can just throw this little pouch into my bigger bag if I need to like split them up. So I'll keep this bigger pouch probably if I'm going out, probably at the hotel or at my friend's house, and then for my lippies I'll just throw this in my bag to go out. So that big I want to say at the house, and then I would carry this one that has my lippies in it, right? So the first lipstick is Ruby Woo, and it's by MAC, and it was one of their limited edition thingies, I believe was from a collection. So it's all black, and I have the matching lip gloss, the Ruby Woo lip gloss, and I also have Saint Germain lipstick in here by MAC as well, and it's a really light pink. So I have this is all I have in my little lipstick bag, and I would have my more lip glosses in there, but my lip glosses are too long for in here, so they're in the bigger part. So let's go over this little pouch here. It's really cute, and I just tie it up. It keeps everything so nice and organized, which is why I love this makeup pouch, this makeup bag rather. So it like folds down like that, and at the top ones it has zippers here, 1, 2, 3 zippers, and like this little thing here. I'm not sure what this is for, to carry like this, I don't know, to probably I don't know, but yeah. So let's start with the top one. The top one here, I just have my lash glue and my tweezer. And for the second part here, I have my eye stuff. So I have my roller lash mascara from Benefit. I have my brown eyeliner pencil, which is I just buy at a shop. You can buy it to a Claudia over this or something, I don't know. Just a regular brown eyeliner pencil, I guess. And then this kohl eyeliner pencil in Onyx, and I can't remember what brand I got this from. I think it was Total Pro. I can't remember because it doesn't have anything written on it. So that's that. And in the next compartment, I have more liquid stuff in here. So this compartment is a little bit deeper, but not by much. So I have my lip glosses, which is the new lip gloss that I have, and I think this is by Total Pro as well. Then I have my MAC Night Moth, which is my favorite lip liner at the moment. Then I have Vanilla Cream Pie. This is a NYX Butter Gloss. And then I have NYX's 804 Cabaret, and then I have Miss Kaliji's 206, I believe. Yes, 206, and it's this color, 206. So that's what's in this lower compartment here, and I don't have anything else anywhere else. Like, that is it for this here. Alright, so let's go into the bigger part. First, I have my lashes. Well, this one is empty because I'm wearing them today, and these are my Pommy lashes in Wifey. I'm going to do a full review on these lashes so you guys can see, you know, the idea behind the design, as well as, you know, where I chose to put specific stuff. But yeah, so these are my Pommy lashes in Wifey. Yes, Wifey. Let me just get all the lashes out. And then I have my Pommy lashes as well in Popular Kid and Ruth. Wifey, Popular Kid and Ruth, and Black Widow. Those are my favorite ones. I'm not really fond of Dainty because it's too dainty. It's just too petite for me. So these three are by far my top three. But if I had to pick a top favorite, it would definitely be Popular Kid, then White. Then I have my beauty blender, and it's the pink beauty blender. I have that in there, and I used it this morning, so it's kind of, you know, it's still drying, so yeah. Then I have my brushes. Okay, and I have mostly Pommy brushes. I have 4 eye brushes from Pommy Call Me by Lyric, and I have the bigger one here that I used to go on the side of my nose, and I'll link the review in the description bar below. And I have the Duo Fiber blending brush, I have the spoolie, and I also have the angle brush to do my brows. I have those. And for my other eye brush is this Beige Cosmetics like fluffy brush. I love this brush. It's so nice and soft and fluffy and excellent for going in the crease. I would have taken my MAC 217 brush as well, but I didn't want to have two kind of like 3 blending brushes. And I have my flat top brush from Call Me by Lyric, and my, like, I call it a beauty blender brush, but you know, I don't really have a name. We don't really have a name for it. So let me tell you what to do for my foundation. So apply my foundation and my highlight foundation with this. Apply my highlight, blend it up with the beauty blender, and then I use this for powders. Now I can use this for both if say I don't want to be washing my beauty blender every single time, I use this for creams and powders. I use to apply my foundation, then to blend up my highlight, and then wipe it out in hand towel or like a rag or like a towel or something to get most of the cream product out. Then I use it to my powder. Now I know that shouldn't be done, I shouldn't be mixing, but I'm just saying if I'm on vacation or if I just have this brush, then this brush will get it done for me. And of course this one, the beauty blender one, is what I use, what I'm going to use to do my highlights and my blush. Lately, you guys, I have not been low lighting my face, just my nose. It's so weird. So I have not been putting anything darker on these areas to define my face. I haven't been doing it. Yeah, I have not been doing it. And do you see that glow? That's that hourglass, baby. You see that? That's an hourglass. Anyway, yeah. So speaking of hourglass, I of course have my hourglass ambient lighting palette. I cannot live without this thing, and it's making me fall in love with highlighters. So I want to try all the highlighters that there are. I want to try the Becca ones, I want to try the Bobbi Brown ones, I want to try all the highlighters that there are. So next thing is my powder, and this is in G305, and it's by Avon. I'm completely addicted to Avon powders. Avon powders, in my opinion, are among the best powders. Avon powders and MAC powders, but definitely hands down, because I've been using Avon so long, Avon powders is definitely I love it. It gives a nice velvet finish. I love it. I love it. And of course my face is by Shanna. This is the loose powder in bamboo, and Shanna owned, she's a Jamaican owned entrepreneur. My girl be getting it. So yeah, so this is her loose powder, in very loose powder in bamboo, and it's very similar to Ben Nye banana powder, if you know, a little bit aware of it. But I have the Ben Nye banana powder, as you know, and I have this one, and this is the one that I've been grabbing because I've been using the Ben Nye so long and I wanted a change anyway. So I've been using Faces by Shanna, and I have been using it now for I think a month steady, or 3 weeks, something like that. So yeah, then I have my EOS lip balm, and I have this because I have the gray hair now, so I kind of have to it's like I want a little bit of sheen on my face, if that makes sense. And that's why I have lashes on as well, so that if say I don't really want to wear makeup, I just put on my lip balm and lashes, do my brows, and I go. And that seems weird to some people, but here in Jamaica it's not that weird for us. A lot of ladies just wear lashes alone and no makeup, and don't even do their brows, just lashes alone, and they're good to go. As long as they have like mascara on and lashes, they're practically comfortable, and that's where I stand as well. As long as I have some lashes on and probably some some mouth to keep it moisturized, I'll be good to go. Oh, then I have my Inglot blush in number 70. It's an orangey blush, and this blush for me works as a blush and also as an eyeshadow and also as like a lipstick. So let's say I want to change the color, because I remember I only have 2 lippies in there. So suppose I want to give this a little like a lighter color, I'll just rub this and dab this all over my lips to kind of change the color a little bit. So my blushes and my eyeshadows tend to work all in the same for me sometimes when I'm in a pinch. So my blushes work as eyeshadows and lippies, my eyeshadows work as blushes and lippies as well. So Inglot number 70 blush, and then my black opal in Carob. I have found my color. Now my neck is still dark, as you can see. It look like rings of time. It looks really dark, and because I'm so big and fat and sweaty, it's just not making me feel very confident. But this right here, because I remember I used to use another one that was too red for me, too light for me, sorry, which I personally loved it. But this Carob in black opal, it matches me. I love it. I don't have to do a lot of blending out. This, I love it, love it, love it, love it. I love it, and I would definitely recommend it for kids. So this is the only eyeshadow that I will bring. Is my Lorac palette, my Lorac trio, and it's called Pro Face, and it has these colors in here. This I'm carrying this palette specifically, or trio specifically, so that I can use this to low light if I want to, this for my darker colors, and then these two as well for like for my happy area, for my lid, for my brow bone and stuff like that. So in my opinion, these three colors are it for me. I would have brought a palette, but because it's like my travel stuff, I didn't want to bring a big enough palette because I needed space for, you know, other stuff. And I have my level 11 ruby kisses to clean up my brows. I have my MAC prep and prime, which I don't use that much anymore. I'm just bringing it just in case. Then of course I have fallen in love again with my LA Pro Conceal in Fawn to highlight. And I have my MAC Fix Plus, depending on where I am, because some places in Jamaica for me it's very cold, so when I have my makeup on, my makeup tends to feel a little bit stiff, you know, cake face to the water. So my MAC Fix Plus will break it up for me. So I won't be putting this on now because it's fairly warm now. So to put this on, I don't know, I just don't. So to put this on, I really don't want to. I'd rather put a setting powder on than the Fix Plus. But whenever, say I go somewhere cold, or if I'm at the hotel and the room is cold or whatever, and I just want to put makeup on to film and my face kind of feel stiff, I'll put this on and it will definitely loosen things up for me. So that's basically it, what is in my travel makeup case. And I have this down here. I was using the other one, the MAC one, so I have another makeup case that I'll be doing an updated thing here. So yeah, so that's basically it, everything that I have in my travel makeup case. Tell me what you got, or tell me what are you guys' favorites and anything that you recommend that I can buy. I'm slowly tipping over into high-end stuff, so if you have any high-end recommendations for foundation, you guys know my skin, and I found out recently, well, I think I always knew but I just ignored it, that I have sensitive skin. My mom gave me like this lotion to get rid of like spots on my face, and I used it one time and I got bumps all along here and like on my forehead. So my skin is getting so better, and I'm going to film another video after this because today is the only day I can film, so I want to get all the videos out. So I've been using something on my face that it's not obvious to you, you know, but to me it is doing wonders, and it's something that I did not give up on, but it's something that I believe in, that I had gotten sent to review, and I'm just like, this shit works. So that's basically it for my little travel video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you in my next one.